Hello and welcome back to Dirty Kitty. Now, you might notice that this is not Chrome. I have switched to Firefox to being almost the browser that I use nowadays. So I log into most websites, including YouTube, from Firefox now. Now, this is the so-called Firefox Quantum. This is actually Firefox 61, I believe. But it's allegedly much less heavy than Chrome, and it's a lot faster to start up too. But you might know something, that Mozilla changed its logo a while ago, and its new logo actually looks like a URL sometimes. So let's try typing it in down here, into the address bar, and see how it works. It goes, and actually redirects to the Open Design website, which is for the people who designed the new branding for Mozilla. You can see all the blog posts down here that speaks about this topic. So that's all for this short video from Dirty Kitty. I hope you enjoy, and see you again next time. Have a nice flight.